There are four major types of forex trading styles, and in this video we are going to cover them. Position trading. These are long-term traders. They focus on the weekly or the monthly time frame. It suits those with full-time job. So if you have a full-time job and you are still wondering if you will be able to have time to analyze the market, then you go for position trading. The next is swing trading. This set of traders focus on catching price swing in the market. They trade mostly on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. It suits people with limited screen time. For example, I have a limited screen time. That is why I am a swing trader. I don't spend hours my entire day on the screen analyzing the market and the charts. Even if you have a job, you have other businesses, you can still partake in the forex market by being a swing trader. Next is day trading. This set of traders focus on the 30-minute time frame, the 1-hour time frame. Basically, they are full-time traders with lots of screen time. So they wake up in the morning, sit down on their screen from morning, let's say 8 a.m., 9 a.m. they are on their screen, and they sit there till evening, looking at the charts, scanning for opportunities and trading. It is their own full-time job. The next one is scalping. Scalpers are traders that trade on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minutes time frame. They are just looking for short movements in the market, small movement in the market, and they are out of the market. So that is it. We see you on the next video.